Yo, what's up YouTube? I'm making a quick video today about how to change out RAM and how to install new RAM. So, let's get into it. Hey YouTube. So, the first thing that you want to do is make sure you wash your hands. You don't just, open this up and start touching all the components. The last time I did that, I ended up frying my motherboard. Wash your hands, get an anti-static wristband, put it anywhere metal on the case. Do not connect it to the motherboard, bad things will happen. Alright, so to install your RAM, first make sure you know which way that it will go. RAM will only be inserted one way. If you try to insert it the other way, it either won't work or it will break the RAM and or possibly the slot. Alright, I can tell that this is the way that it goes in. One, because the other RAM is also facing this way. And two, because the little notch is further to the right or your left than it is to my left or your right. Alright, so line it up and then push down firmly, but not too hard, and you'll hear a nice and satisfying click. Get your other stick, put it in the exact same way, and you'll notice that I have the exact same type of RAM. At first when I bought this I only had two 8GB sticks, and I did it that way purposefully so I left upgrade room. Don't just go out and buy two different types of RAM. Make sure that you get the same RAM, because if you don't, then you're going to have problems like you're going to have to set the timing and the frequency and all that stuff by yourself, when you could have just bought the exact same type of RAM. So, save yourself the headache. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good night.